An Osage tree washed up in the flood last weekend.
You can see it from here. It's that bright orange root bark over there. That's an Osage tree that got washed downstream. And I think it's too late for me to bring the tree home. It's been out of the water for too long, or out of the ground for too long. I thought about bringing it home and planting it back at our house. See this papery looking bark? That pigment does not wash out in water. So it could sit here for years in the rain and the weather and it would still be very orange. It only comes out with alcohol or acetone extraction. And once I get that into a solution of alcohol, then I can make a lake pigment reaction to settle out the pigment. So when I get this gathered, I just peel it off and put it in a little bag, but I'm not going to do it today because I don't have a little bag. But hopefully it'll still be here when I can come back and get this whole thing, because the wood is nice too. Anyway, let's go see what the creek looks like. I want to look for rocks too while I'm out here. Heavy equipment's been in here clearing the bridge. And they have piled up a ton of rocks. See that one? That'll make a nice orange too. That one will make a nice reddish brown. Oh, look at this. See, I was just coming home and I don't have a bag or a way to gather up a whole bunch of rocks. I don't even have big pockets with me today. This is shale. Shale makes a really nice gray. Let's see what else is over here. That's a nice one. And that one gives me the sort of grayish green color. Look at all those more nice ones. I'm gonna have to come back. For now, I just want to show you what some of these colors look like. I'll put my little stack right here. I'll show you the gray one first. It breaks really easily. See what this red one does. See, that one doesn't make much color. It's pretty hard, so I'll throw that one back in. Let's see what this red one does. Nice orange on that one. Ooh, really nice. Like that. Keep it. All right, so we're gonna come back another day. With a bag. So I am out at the creek, this time at the creek on our property. Our creek flooded too, and my husband's been doing some work with the tractor to clean out all the rocks that have got piled up. And when he does that, it's a lot easier to find the rocks I'm looking for, and I see some yellow there. I'm always looking for a yellow that is more yellow and less orange. This one just might give me that color. So this one's got a little orange in it already. I'll take it too. Oh, the possibilities are endless in this pile of rocks. Again, I don't have time to go through them right now. But every time it rains, it'll wash off some of them and I'll see them better. And I'll stop and get any that I need. It's like nature's art supply store. wildozark.com. And now I'm back at the house, and this is my crushing breaking slab. You can see the difference in shades. The one on the right is more orange. The one on the left is the one I just picked up, and it's nice and yellow.